Do you want to turn your brain into a foggy, anxious, unfocused mess? Perfect. Just keep your phone close, like it's a lifeline. Start your day not with gratitude or peace, but with chaos. Open your phone before you even open your eyes. Dive straight into notifications, likes, comments, drama. Flood your brain with noise before the day even begins. Every 5 minutes, check again. Keep switching apps. Make sure your brain never rests. Train it to chase stimulation like a junkie looking for his next hit. Forget books, forget deep thoughts, just keep scrolling. Avoid boredom at all costs. Silence is dangerous. If your brain gets a moment to breathe, it might remember who you really are. Use your phone before bed too, and drown in reels, TikToks, and mindless videos until your eyes burn. The blue light will destroy your sleep. You'll wake up tired, wired, and somehow empty. Congratulations. You've rewired your brain. You can't focus. You can't be still. Real life feels boring. Real people feel slow. You're addicted, and they designed it that way. You're not broken. But your brain is being hijacked by algorithms, by notifications, by apps that profit from your attention. And if you don't break this cycle, you'll wake up one day unable to think clearly, unable to sit in silence, unable to feel peace without a screen. This isn't just about phone addiction. This is about your life, your future, your mind. Put the phone down. Walk away. Take your brain back before it's too late.